Hello audience, so today we will discuss lecture number 28 and I have collected all these vocabulary facts and figures from Dawn newspaper. So first of all, in 1947 the population of Pakistan at West Pakistan especially was 33 million and the whole population at that time was 75 million according to 1951 census. uh, the census which was took place in 2017 in Pakistan. So at that time the population was 207.7 million. The latest census which was took place in 2023. So at that time the population of Pakistan was 241.5 million. Now I will explain a vocabulary. So the first one is metropolises. So metropolises basically stands for a very large or important cities, just like Karachi, New Delhi, London, New York. Next one, deluge. So deluge meaning is tufani Nuh, a heavy rain, an overwhelming number or amount. We can also say a huge flood. Next one, lucid. So the meaning of lucid is clear, transparent, easy to understand, easy to comprehend. Now, according to Federal Flood Commission, present-day Pakistan suffered cumulative financial losses were up to 38 billion from 1950 to 2015, and the financial losses from 2010 to 2015 is almost up to 19 billion. And now the recent flood which was took place in 2022, up to one third of Pakistan submerged, and the cumulative loss was 33 billion according to World Bank report. Now the next, irony, so its meaning is something unexpected. Next one, resilient. So the meaning of resilient, able to become strong, healthy or successful again after something bad happened. So Pakistan is a resilient nation because Pakistan has fight against war and terror and has faced multifaceted challenges. Now, according to Pakistani cities, contribute nearly 80% of GDP, and Karachi is the only city which contribute maximum budget are having maximum contribution to the GDP of Pakistan, followed by Lahore, Faisalabad, and other metropolis cities. Next one, according to International Growth Center, Pakistan ranked 8 out of 10 countries that having 60% of substandard housing societies uh, are having substandard abode are living places. Next one, vague. So the meaning of vague is indefinite, inexplicit, unclear, mubham. Next one, eyeing. So its meaning is look at. Next one, neck. So the meaning of neck is skill, salika. Now, in other opinion, online predators, which was written by Osama Khilji, and I have collected these vocabulary in 2018 at my university time, but now I am recording these lectures to help students. Now, unsolicited, so its meaning is unrequested, betalab. Next one, overtures, something that serves as a preceding event or introduces what follows. Next one, bullying, so mistreat, maltreat, to treat abusively. Next one, condescension, so its meaning is disdainfulness, displaying arrogance or lack of respect. Next one, ad hominem, so marked by or being an attack on an opponent character rather than intellect. Then by answer to contain mad, appealing to feeling rather. Next one, nuanced, so its meaning is distinction, gradation. Next one, fiduciary, so holding interest or involving trust. Next one, lurking, so wait in hiding to attack, ambuscade, ambush. Just like BLA, most of the time attack on FC, so this sort of attack is called ambuscade or ambush. Next one, languid, so weak. Now, Prevention of Electronic Crime Act, which was passed by National Assembly of Pakistan in 2016, and the Prevention of Electronic Crime Act consists of 26 sections, and basically cyber crimes, which is the special domain of FIA, Federal Investigation Agency in Pakistan, and there are 26 section, and each section deals with different type of online crimes, just like cyberbullying, pornography, child abuse cases, along with defamation cases and many more. Now I will come again back to vocabulary. Next one, intimidating, so the meaning of intimidating is to make someone afraid. Next one, lithy, so its meaning is flexible, and the last one is litigious, so litigious meaning is someone seeking legal remedies. So it's all for today. If you people have any questions, so ask freely, and stick to Dawn Times for more videos and updates. At the end, I will suggest all students to study Exploring Pakistan book for CSS PMS, and I have read this book and I found this book very special, especially for Pakistan affair, and this book has been written by Dr. Saeed Ahmad Bhatt. So thank you and best of luck.